Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited for today's video because it's an overview of July's release from Scrap Diva Designs. And I have created, I think, examples for all of the dies that I have gotten from this release. I haven't created finished projects with them, I just wanted to tell you that. But I created something with all of them so you can see how they look. So this first one, look how cute this is. This is the Croc Shoe Memory Decks card, and you can see you could create more elements here to have it on a memory decks. And all of the pieces, I didn't understand exactly where everything went. This one I made this way, could go somewhere else. I had mine there. So you can see I also decorated it with some of the embellishments that comes that you can pop in here. Super cute. And then the larger, this one is the Croc Shoe mini album, and it also comes with more pieces in the back, so it's 2 pages, and it looks something like this. I didn't decorate it with the small pieces here, but you definitely could. I think this also turned out super cute, and these will definitely go on some projects later on this month, and hopefully I will share that with you as well. Next up we have these two products. We have the Maze Memory Decks card, and this is just gorgeous. This is the A2 Victorian oval. You can see you have some flowers, some sprigs, some leaves, and of course I cut these many times out so you can see how they look. I also have some of the flowers put together, so these are smaller flowers. Hope the camera is picking up how that looks. And then I created this card. So you can see I have the maze in the background, and I created my own sort of background pattern with these 2 leaves. And on top of it I have one of these beautiful flowers. Let me check my stack here of products where it went. So here is that beautiful flower. It's called flower number 2. Super cute, and the leaves is from my favorite. So I got cut off, but I hope I managed to talk about all of the elements for this project. So I will clear my desk and we can take the next one. So I made, maybe I should take this one first. I made a cute little bag. This is featuring the new Jelly Bag Mini Tote. So I created this one, and you can see on top of it I have another die set. I will bring it out for you so you can see it. It's this one, and it's called Retro Words. Super cute set. You have peace and love and so many other fun things that you can say. So you can see I just popped it up here on vellum on top of this tote bag. And I also wanted to share, this is the tote bag I created with a fall layout. But you can see size-wise that this is quite a bit smaller. Hope the camera is picking up how much smaller. So yeah, I really like this one. I think it's super cute. And when we are talking about like bags, I also wanted to share this one with you. Sorry if you hear the sound, I'm just fiddling through all of my packages here with dies so I can grab the right one, so I don't sorry, I will soon find it, hopefully. Here it is. So this is a larger die set. It's called 3D Beach Tote, and it has more pieces to the back of this. And you can also see I decorated this with summer vibes. This comes from some of the new words. So the new word sets are these ones, and you have the summer words number 2 and 1. So really cute, and you can see, hopefully you can see the stitching on top of this. So it's really nice, and you can use it for so many things. Really like it. And I have another word here cut out if you like to see how that looks. It's sunshine. Really cute. I also did some dangle for this one, and I will have a video tutorial for this project. In the background here you can see an oldie. It's the Shabby Chic doily. It was released in June, so not that long ago. Really cute, sorry about the sound. And on top of this I also decorated with some butterflies, and these comes from this super pretty set. It's called the Lemon Slice mini album, and there is a ton more pieces in the back to create a mini album. I haven't created one yet. It's on my to-do list. I hope I get time to do it this month. Sometimes there is so many projects or products being released in 1 month that I can't create all of them in this month, and then I just save them and create with it later. But I used the butterfly throughout this month. You can see here's another one that I created with a pink one. Super cute. And I just attached it to the body, and the wings are sort of lifted. Really cute. So that's that one. And then we have one of my favorite projects that I created this month. And it's all of these gift pouches. I can say that right. I hope I'm not butchering any names. I did some dangles for the bigger one, and just some enamel dots and a peach here. And these ones are these sizes. So gift pouch medium, large and small. So you can see how they all look in comparison to each other. And these were super easy to put together. You can see you can open one side and you can put a little gift inside of these, close them up, and the recipient can get them like this. So cute. And this one may be good for some earrings or stuff like that. This is very small but really cute, and it would be nice to give like a set like this, I think. So I will have a tutorial coming up for these projects as well. Then I have a product that I haven't been able to fit into a finished project yet. It's this one. You can see it's these borders with the crabs, summer banners, and like the umbrellas on top of this. Super cute. Really nice. I love it. But I haven't been having time to put it on any project yet. I was thinking of having it on my tote bag, but when I had cut it out, you can see I combined the colors. I thought it got lost too much, but we'll see if I get to put it together more later on. Then we have one of my favorite projects that went together so nicely. There is more pieces to the back of this. This is the 3D carousel tray, and I didn't know exactly how to put this together before Erica sent me a picture. It was very helpful, so hopefully this will be helpful for you as well. I will have a tutorial later this month, and probably Erica as well as the rest of the design team. But you can see how cute this is. You could probably attach this, but I wanted to share with you how this tray look. It's very sturdy. I decorated both the inside and the outside. You probably could decorate the inside of this little tray as well to make it even sturdier. But I just love this. And when you have it all sort of together like this, it's really cute. So you can definitely use this with some embellishment you can pop in here, or yeah, bigger things as well could fit into this. I cut all of the pieces out of pattern paper and sturdier cardstock for the base itself, but I will go over that in my tutorial of this project. But there you go, really cute. And my last project for this month is with this beauty. It's called Swap Pocket Set, and it actually turned out to be one of my favorites from this release. I'm not that much into swapping projects. It's mainly because I don't have anyone to swap with. Since I live in Sweden, the shipping, if I would ship somewhere else outside of Sweden, is ridiculous. So yeah. But that's besides the point of this. You can see how cute this is, and I also want to talk about this. This is from the umbrella shakers. Super cute, and I just used the smaller one here and attached it on top of it. Super cute. I cut a circle like a beach ball and we have sunshine and some enamel dots. We have some pattern paper, and then I created these pockets, and I will go through all of these when I am doing my tutorial for this project. It was super easy to put together. It really comes together itself. So, but I will share it anyway, just because I liked this project so much that I want to share with you how I created it. But you can see it's this cute little pocket, and this is quite large. So cute. So that is pretty much the entire release, or what I got from this release anyway. I think it's the whole release, but you never know. Erica are releasing so many beautiful products every month. So it's really, really nice and exciting to be a part of her design team. I will have links down below for you if you like to check out any of the products that I shared in this video. And I will soon be back with some tutorial for the projects that I shared in this video. See you soon. Bye!